In this video, I am going to discuss about Straker amino synthesis or Straker synthesis or Straker reaction. So, Straker synthesis is one of the famous method to synthesize amino acid named for the scientist who discovered Straker. This video contains statement of Straker synthesis, general reaction of Straker synthesis, reaction mechanism and other example with mechanism. Look at quick overview for the reaction, then go to step by step mechanism. So, statement for the Straker synthesis is where carbonyl compound treated with ammonium chloride in the presence of potassium cyanide, it gives alpha amino nitrile. Then this alpha amino nitrile on hydrolysis it gives corresponding alpha amino acid. So this is general reaction for Straker synthesis. In general reaction, the carbonyl compound like aldehyde treated with ammonium chloride and potassium cyanide, here formation of hydrogen cyanide takes place and it gives corresponding alpha amino nitrile. This alpha amino nitriles on hydrolysis it gives corresponding alpha amino acid. So this is general reaction for Straker synthesis. Consider mechanism of Straker synthesis. In the mechanism, ammonium chloride and sodium cyanide react with each other and formation of ammonia and hydrogen cyanide takes place. In the first step or in the first part of the reaction, the carbonyl oxygen of an aldehyde is protonated, followed by nucleophilic attack of ammonia to the carbonyl carbon. After subsequent proton exchange, water is cleaved from the iminium ion intermediate. A cyanide ion then attack the iminium carbon yielding an amino nitrile. Prefer alpha amino nitrile undergoes hydrolysis reaction. It gives corresponding alpha amino acid. So, by using Straker synthesis, you can prepare alpha amino acid in very good yield. So, summary for Straker synthesis, this is nucleophilic addition then nucleophilic acyl substitution reaction. Reagent used in this reaction means ammonium chloride and sodium cyanide, then aqueous acid or heat with basic work off. Then nucleophilic cyanide ion normally add to an aldehyde or ketone to give a cyanohydrin and alpha hydroxynitrile. However, in the presence of ammonium chloride, the analogous alpha amino nitrile is obtained. And main important R group attached depend on the amino acid you want to create. So this is summary about Straker synthesis. This is summary about Straker synthesis. Consider another example of Straker synthesis. In that R group here changed. We take R group, that is R is equal to CH3 CH CH3 C double bond H, and then Here first step is nothing but the protonation, and here formation of alpha amino nitrile takes place. So this is mechanism for hydrolysis reaction. In this, that is Strecker synthesis, the nitrile nitrogen of the amino nitrile is protonated and the nitrile carbon is attacked by a water molecule. A 1,2-diamino diol is then formed after the proton exchange and a nucleophilic attack of water to the former nitrile carbon. Ammonia is subsequently eliminated after the protonation of the amino group, and finally the deprotonation of a hydroxy group produces an amino acid. This is about Strecker amino synthesis, means aldehyde or ketone treated with ammonium chloride and potassium cyanide. It gives the corresponding alpha amino nitrile, undergoes hydrolysis reaction or heat reaction to give corresponding alpha amino acid. Then you can here use disubstituted ketone. It gives the corresponding disubstituted amino acid. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel for further more videos.